Welcome back with another video, guys. Today I'm gonna show you something new because I was uploading the video before for the budgies. So today I got this guy, little guy, first day at my house. Meet him. His name is Charlie. Like a few months bigger, I'm not sure. Look at the tail, blue and green, and look at the color, so pretty. If you guys want more video for this, guys, subscribe this channel, like this video, and thumb ups. Look how cute. Look. Sit down. Good. Good bird. Good Charlie. Hello. 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 Like this video. Hi. Hi. First day in my hand. And the first day in the home. Hi Charlie. Hi Charlie. Look at the face. So cute. So cute. Right Charlie? Right Charlie? Look at how cute he is. Hi. Look at yourself. Look at yourself. Look at yourself in the camera, dude. Look. You don't bite. You don't afraid. You don't bite. Like when I got him the house, like 3-4 hours before, then I was beating him with the bungee. Then I put him top of the bungee cage. And then he got friendly with them. So they staying in one cage together. Bungee, I have 4 bungees. And this guy. Look at this guy. Say hello. Hello. But I'm trying to feeding him, but he's not eating right now. Maybe later before I go sleep, I feed him but with my hand, and I make him to drink the water a little bit. Then we can put it in the cage for the night, because he was first day here today, so that's why he was reacting weird, and he was recognizing the house. He just sat on my hand. He don't go to anybody, right? He don't like it anybody yet. He's my best. I want to make him to my best friend, right Charlie? Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi cutie beauty. Hi. Hi. Look at the wings. He have a shark nail. on his feet. Shark. When he climbed on my arm, he scratched me few times. Right, Charlie? So tell guys, subscribe this channel, like this video, say goodbye. We see you in the next video, guys. Please like, share, subscribe this channel, and thumb ups for more videos. Thank you. Say bye, Charlie.